What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Amazon Echo Dot third generation. Now, I'm going to get a fantastic deal on this, getting it for 99 cents on Amazon. Amazon had a promotion where if you tried their Amazon Prime Music, they gave you the Echo Dot for 99 cents. Guys, I'll throw pictures so you can see that. So I was totally blown away and happy. Now, as of the recording of this video, I do believe that that promotion is no longer running, but they still have a limited time deal where the Echo Dot 3rd Gen is currently $29.99 from the original price of $50. So still a pretty fantastic deal. So if you guys want to get an Echo Dot, definitely make sure to take advantage of that $29.99. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so there's not a lot going on right here. We have a pretty cute looking box. You have a picture of the Echo Dot. I went ahead and got the black one because, you know, it just fits my room better. Echo Dot branding right there. Add Alexa to any room. That's pretty cool. I'm probably going to put this in my bathroom. No joke. We have some phrases right here running that you can try out. And of course, we have the far field voice control, which means that it pretty much picks you up from, you know, probably from across the hall, across the room. It just has a very wide form. To the side here, we have all the music apps that it's compatible with. We have Amazon Music, and you guys see the rest right there. And of course, what's included, we have the Echo Dot 3rd Gen and the power cable. And to the back here, we just have a little bit of reading. And that's pretty much it for the box. Oh, it does have Bluetooth as well, guys, which is pretty neat. So if you want to just run Bluetooth, you can run Bluetooth. And of course, we have audio line out. Now, I currently have a Echo 2nd Gen. It's not available, I think, right now on Amazon. Pretty great speaker. I'm probably going to try the 3rd Gen soon, hopefully. Let's check on the 3rd Gen. Got the dot right there. We got some getting started. Here we go. Definitely make sure to run through this if it's your first time. And then we have more Echo Dot things to do, things to say. You can try it out. There's a bunch of stuff you can access to. Alright, moving on. We have this looks exactly like the power cable that is on the Echo that I have. It's a 15-watt charger. There we go. It's one of those pointy ones, so it's not like Type-C or micro USB. You gotta make sure, you know, it's not damaged. You could get a replacement, but, you know, it's not as common as Type-C or micro. Alright, the Echo Dot looks pretty nice, guys. You know, the Echo 2nd Gen I have is pretty well built. I still use it to this day. And I don't expect anything less in terms of quality from the mini one. Boom. Alright, so nice little hockey puck. Pretty cool looking. Let me get my iPhone XR for size comparison. There's my XR. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar or have seen or at least held one of these. So it's pretty, you know, tiny. It's thick, like a little hockey puck. Alright, so let's take a look at this. So we have this nice fabric going around the speaker. Gives it a nice, cool look. To the back, we have where the power goes into, and then we have that audio out. I mentioned the box. What else do we have? Top here we have the controls. So we have volume up, volume down. And we'll find out what these two things say. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just a nice looking, awesome looking little Echo. Alright, so we go plug it in and we'll try it out. Alrighty, so I got my wire all plugged in. Let's plug it into the dot. Let's see how the startup goes. Boom. Alright. We got the nice. Oh, I forgot to mention the LED light going all the way around. Nice blue. Love that blue. Let's see if she's gonna say anything. Okay, setting up. Okay, the motion kind of changed. That's nice. You see all the 4 mics, which are pretty. I like it a lot. So it's easy to. It picks up your voice pretty easy, as well if there's it's making doing sound. Oh, that is so nice.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions. Ciao.
We're
Il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y sigue le instrucciones. Hola. El dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
It's gonna search for my network. Okay, so I'm gonna go connect Wi-Fi. Alright, so there you go. I got the internet connected to Wi-Fi, and then the LED stopped going around. So it looks like it was that easy. So let's just hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna actually say this is for the kitchen. Continue. I'm probably gonna put this in my kitchen because I already have my Echo 2 in my main room. We're gonna skip all of this, and we should be good to go. There we go. So let's. Alright, so there we go. I got the internet connected to Wi-Fi, and then the LED stopped going around. So it looks like it was that easy. So let's just hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna actually say this is for the kitchen. Continue. I'm probably gonna put this in my kitchen because I already have my Echo 2 in my main room. We're gonna skip all of this, and we should be good to go. There we go. Echo, just as simple as that, guy. It's currently, oh, the weather's pretty nice here where I live. Okay, not bad, not bad. So it looks like it was that easy. So let's just hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna actually say this is for the kitchen. Continue. I'm probably gonna put this in my kitchen because I already have my Echo 2 in my main room. We're gonna skip all of this, and we should be good to go. There we go. Echo, just as simple as that, guy. It's currently, oh, the weather's pretty nice here where I live. Okay, not bad, not bad. So let's try some phrases and see how cool Alexa is. We're gonna try those extra to sing, and oh look, it just automatically, the motion kind of changed. That's nice. See all the 4 mics, which I like it a lot. So it's easy to, it picks up your voice pretty easy, as well if there's it's doing this. This is mine already. I currently have Echo, like I was saying, and oh look, it just automatically, kind of sense that I have a Echo setup. So let's just continue. It's gonna search for my network. Okay, so I'm gonna go connect Wi-Fi. Got the internet connected to Wi-Fi, and then the LED stopped going around. So it looks like it was that easy. So let's just hit continue. Okay, so I'm gonna actually say this is for the kitchen. Continue. I'm probably gonna put this in my kitchen because I already have my Echo 2 in my main room. We're gonna skip all of this, and we should be good to go. There we go.
You've connected.
Echo,
Now,
just as
go back to the Alexa app. Du bist jetzt verbunden. Geh bitte wieder in die Alexa App. Connexion réussie. Retournez maintenant dans l'application Alexa. Connessione effettuata.
simple as that, guy. It's currently, oh, the weather's pretty nice here where I live. Okay, not bad, not bad. So let's try some phrases and see how cool Alexa is. We're gonna try.
Your Echo is ready.
Those extra buttons. Alright, so Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Morris Park, it's
In Kendall, it's 16 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 19 degrees and a low of 13 degrees.
today's
By the way,
forecast has mostly sunny
I
weather.
can learn your
with a high
voice
of
to improve
54
your
degrees
Alexa
and a low of
experience.
37 degrees.
Would you like to try
Perfect.
it?
Let's try the button. So, as volume up, maximum volume. Let's go back. Sweet. Alright, so this one here is Alexa. What time is it? Alrighty, cool. So I went ahead and figured out what these two buttons do. So here we have, so this is the mute button. So let's say you have some annoying friends over. Or, just people being just annoying to you. You're just making fun of you and they just want to tell Alexa a bunch of random stuff. If you don't want Alexa to activate, you just hit that and it gives you mute. So you see that red ring? It means Alexa is mute. All the mics are off. So Alexa, you guys see it doesn't work. Now let's say it's muted like that, and now you just want to go access something. You can hit this button. It's considered the action button on the labeling in the instruction manual. Okay, so you have to do it with mute off. So let's say she's not hearing you. You hit that, and then you can just talk to it. So let's try that again. We're gonna hit it. What should I do to?
Let's play a game. I have quiz games and interactive stories. Just ask. Play a game.
There we go, and that's the action button. So if you don't want to say Alexa, you can just tap it. Maybe you're close to it. You tap it, and you can tell it what you want it to do, and Alexa can do it for you. So let's hear Alexa sing. Alexa, sing me a song.
Hey there! Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game, get organized, or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timeless reminders for you.
So that right here is maximum volume.
Jokes, songs, stories, games, weather skills, and Easter eggs. Get the news, cracks and tunes, hear the score. Wait, there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'm here to save the day.
Where should I get your news from? News, NPR, or CNBC.
Alexa, Fox News.
In Fox
Sorry,
News.
UK of News' news channel isn't available right now.
Hit the like button. Yeah. Share it with anyone else out there. And that's the Echo. That third generation works just like a new one. It's a little bit more responsive in my opinion. And yep, until next time guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.